Constellation, the Matt's colleague. I'm just going to let you listen as he takes to the air. Super Constellation tracks is the landing gear, not just the landing gear, but the flaps, slats, the controls, and all of the movements within the aircraft, all hydraulically operated here, also again on the British Airways Concorde. Captain Lang has more than 9,000 hours of cruising in Connie's. Right R 3350 engines, 3,350 cubic inches of displacement each. I'm going to just let you listen and watch as the Matt's Connie comes by this time. Gear retracting now as he continues upwind the aircraft. The wings of the Super Constellation actually are identical to the P-38 Lightning wings, the P-38 of World War II, the twin-engine fighter. They are identical to the P-38 wings, simply scaled up. There's us for the photo view of the Super Constellation goes by. Still, I believe, one of the British airplanes. For you Corsair, Skyboss. Corsair served the Pacific Theater with incredible success, both from a board carrier and from landborne, making his landing approach.
I'd love to find a nice product.
Chub, 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 that's what we like to hear.
It's a nice smile.
What a beautiful sight.